So I got rid of my two orange Suzukis and went down and bought this. This is a 2001 Honda Recon. It's in really good shape, owned by an older couple. It does have a little tear in the seat, but it runs really good. The tires are good. This thing really doesn't need any work done to it. I did order a trailer hitch that I'm gonna mount back there, and I am gonna get a winch for the front. So I got the trailer hitch in, and this is what I ordered. It was like $17 with free shipping. Came with 2 bolts, and it looks like all we're gonna need is 2 9/16 wrenches and a 14mm wrench. So let's get this on. Let me reposition the camera and we'll get started. Okay, I'm gonna start with loosening up this bolt. There we go. And this is a 14mm. And it came with 2 9/16 bolts and, what was that, the nylock nut. So I'm gonna grab the plate. Put my bolts through. So I've noticed right here, looks like we need a washer or a bushing to put right there. So let me see if I can find one and bring you back. So that's snug there, and I'm just going to go a smidge more. Alright, so that's what it looks like when it's done. Now I just got to put a ball on there, so let me go grab the ball. Okay, so I got the ball, and this here is a 1 1/8" socket for the nut. All right. So this is what we got. Now I can pull my little trailer around instead of using my truck. I do have a hitch on that. I got a bunch of stuff on it right now, but anyway, that's how you put it on.